How's it going, y'all? My name's Quinn, and today I'm here to show you how to use two of Canvas Studio's recording options, those being Studio Capture and the Screencast-O-Matic. Without further ado, let's get right into it, starting first with Studio Capture. Starting first with Studio Capture. Studio Capture is good when you just need to make a quick video showing either yourself or your screen. What you want to do is start on your dashboard. On the left side, you'll want to navigate down to the Studio button. Clicking this will bring you into your Canvas Studio. In the upper right-hand corner is a little blue Create button. Clicking this will show you your two options. We want to select Studio Capture. Doing this launches you into a dialog box showing your preview and a couple options. If all you need to do is record a video of yourself, you can use the camera button to select your source for webcams. If you need to share your screen, you'll see a screen capture button. Clicking this allows you to enable or disable the screen share function. Enabling it launches another dialog box. From here, you have three different sources to choose from: a single Chrome tab, an entire window, or your entire screen. Select which option is best for you and then hit the share button. After this, all you have to do is hit start recording. This will give you a countdown till when your recording begins. After this, record your video, and at the bottom of your screen, you'll see a little stop sharing button. Selecting this will stop the recording and allow you to hit save media to finish your video. Moving on to the Screencast-O-Matic. The Screencast-O-Matic is similar to Studio Capture in many ways. However, it offers you a more in-depth process, allowing you to choose between recording just your webcam, just your screen, or both at the same time. Screencast-O-Matic also allows you to edit your video after you finish recording it. To start, the steps are very similar. You'll want to navigate down to the Studio button on the left-hand side. Clicking this brings you into your Canvas Studio. After coming here, you want to hit the small blue Create button in the upper right-hand corner, and then select Screencast-O-Matic. If this is your first time using Screencast-O-Matic, you may be prompted with on-screen instructions on how to download the necessary software. Download this and you'll be all set to go. Screencast-O-Matic will launch and you'll see two very important things. One is your recording options. This lets you switch between your screen, your webcam, or both. The other is a zebra-striped box running around the corner of your screen. Clicking and dragging the corners of this resizes the box, and in the box is what your screen capture will record. For the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to use both. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll see a small red button that says record in it. Select this to start recording. You'll get a countdown that will count you down to the beginning of your recording. The most important thing to note now is in the bottom right-hand corner is your webcam, and under that are three buttons. These buttons will switch between what is being recorded, from just your webcam, to just your screen, to both your webcam and your screen. These three buttons will allow you to switch what is being recorded while recording, and everything will happen live. After you've recorded everything you need to, you want to hit the small blue pause button. This will stop your recording. After doing so, hit done. Clicking the done button will launch you into a dialog box. Here you can title your video and add a description to it. If you want to edit it, there's also an edit button. If you need help with editing, we'll provide links to instructional videos below. However, after this, all you want to do is hit upload. Clicking upload uploads your video and you're done. Congratulations, you now know how to record videos in two different ways using Canvas Studio. If you need help uploading these to assignments or discussion posts, we'll provide links to videos below that will show you how to do both of those things. Until next time, y'all have a good one.